Welcome back to another practice with the full moon. Say hello to the full moon by its name, the buck moon and the thunder moon. A buck deer's antlers are in full growth mode at this time. Like the buck, we are also growing internally. This full moon, it is time to step it up. Like the buck, we have matured into a new stage in our lives. What have you been working on lately? More artistic endeavors? More interest to learn a new language, material, or subject? What have you been more intrigued by? Waking up earlier? Staying out to watch the sunset? Noticing trees, flowers bloom? The objects that have been catching your eyes lately are signals to step it up in your authenticity. Take a deep breath. Inhale through the nose. Expand the belly. Then release the breath through the mouth and relax the stomach. Take an inhale through the nose. Expand the belly. And exhale through the mouth. Relax the stomach. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth, relaxing the stomach even more. Inhale through the nose, hold the breath. Send the air higher into your headspace. Fill up your brain, your forehead, your face muscles with the breath. Exhale, release any given tensions, allowing the body to sink more into the surface it's resting on. With the full moon's energy, we invite its assistance in spreading awareness throughout the body. As I call out a body part, envision placing the full moon on it, like sticking a sticker over it. The full moon's energy will feel warm and soothing. Full moon, thank you for your presence. My moon, I accept your energy. Love shines on my joints. Full moon, shine on my shoulder and hip joints. Full moon, shine on my elbow and knee joints. Full moon, shine on my pivot joints around my forearms, between the first and second vertebrae in my neck. Full moon, shine on my wrist joints and ankle joints. Full moon, shine on my saddle joint at the base of my thumb. Full moon, shine on my backbone, my knees, and envision your moon stickers on these places on your body to glow a little brighter. Allow the full moon to activate these spots. Thank the full moon for its energy. And take a deep inhale, and as you inhale, allow the glow to shine even brighter. Be activated in your presence. And soak in the full moon's energy like taking a warm bath. If you'd like, you can envision yourself in a relaxing tub, music playing in the background, a beautiful aroma of bubbles. Maybe some candles are lit, the lights are dimmed, so that you give your eyes some rest from artificial lighting. Allow the candles to soothe you, to ground you. And as you look out through the window, you see the full moon shining down on you. And allow the full moon to bathe your hair and skin. Soak in the revitalizing energy of the full moon. It is time to step it up. Breathe in through the nose and breathe out through the mouth. Allow your joints to relax in the bath. Close your eyes if you wish. Soak in the full moon's energy and repeat after me. I am ready. I am revamped. My life gets better each day because each day I am more conscious. Today I step into my power. Today I trust my inner guidance. Today I am grateful for my body, especially my joints and knees. I love my skin. I love my hair. I am supported by my backbone. I give awareness to my body. Body, I love you. Breathe in through the nose. Hold the breath. Exhale, allow the body to sink more into the surface it's resting on. Your body is cleansing with the full moon. You are free from the past and future. Right now, you are here in this moment. So come back to your body from the visualization. Put awareness into your jaw, your neck, shoulders, chest, stomach, hips, knees, ankles, and feet. Allow the body to become more aware on the surface it's resting on. Allow it to sink further into the surface. Thank the surface for its support. The cycles of the moon help guide the body to be more aware. Look at the full moon. Ask, how can I step up my life? Gaze at the surrounding stars or clouds. If they cover the moon, ask the clouds and stars as they too can channel the moon's energy. Ask the sky, how can I step up my life right now? What can I do differently to step it up? What serves me right now? What lowers my energy? Ask the sky, ask the clouds, the sky, the stars, and the full moon. The answer will come within this month. It may not be instant, but the moon has heard you. She will provide signals in the elements. Notice the leaves dancing, the rain singing, the sun laughing. The elements are guiding to step it up. When the leaves sway, you are more present. When it rains, work is done indoors. When the sun shines, the body is re-energized for the new task. Today, I am ready to step it up. Full moon, thank you for your presence. I hear you. Take a deep breath in through the nose and exhale out. I am ready to step it up. Inhale and exhale. I voice my opinions authentically. Inhale through the nose. Hold the breath. Send it further up into your headspace, relaxing the forehead, the eyes, the nose, the cheeks, and the jaw. My actions are guided by my higher self. Breathe in and breathe out. And take a few moments to bring awareness into your hands, feet, and move your hips side to side gently. Come back to your breath. You are back in your room. Thank the full moon, and especially thank yourself for this newfound presence. I thank you for practicing with me, Monika. Please subscribe and like this video for more. Until we meet again, aloha.